Let's crochet the spot on head of the cow with pink yarn together. We will need to start with magic ring and work 6 single crochet for round 1, totally 6 stitches. Make your left palm facing you. Hold the yarn tail and loop the yarn once around your pinky. And loop the yarn around your index finger and middle finger as well, so that it makes an X in front of your fingers. Insert hook into this loop, pull the left yarn through. Rotate the hook to make a loop on hook. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to make 1 magic ring. Slip off the magic ring. Wrapping the yarn around your index finger with the magic ring facing you, hold on the ring with your thumb and middle finger. Insert hook into the hole of the magic ring, yarn over and pull yarn through the hole. See 2 loops on hook, yarn over and pull yarn through these 2 loops. So, this is 1 single crochet. We can see the V shape of the stitch. Mark the first stitch with the stitch marker. Repeat 5 more times to work 6 single crochet. The second single crochet. 3, 4, 5, 6. See 6 stitches. If you have more than 6 stitches, undo them until you count 6 stitches. Hold the yarn tail and pull tight to close up the ring. Insert hook into the marking first stitch to work 1 slip stitch. Put the yarn tail on hook while crocheting to hide it. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop. So, we have finished round 1. For round 2, we need to work 6 increase, totally 12 stitches. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. This chain stitch would not count as needed stitch of each round. Insert hook into the first stitch, yarn over and pull yarn through. Yarn over and pull yarn through 2 loops on hook to work 1 single crochet. Mark this first stitch. Insert the hook into the same stitch, and work another single crochet. 2 single crochet in the same stitch equal 1 increase. So now, we got 1 increase, see 2 stitches. Insert hook into the next stitch and work 2 single crochet to make 1 increase. Got 2 increase. Repeat with 4 more increase. The third increase. Four. 5. 6. This is the slip stitch and this is the chain stitch. They are not counted as the needed stitch of each round. So, we need to skip these 2 stitches and insert hook into the marking stitch to work 1 slip stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop. Finished round 2. For round 3, we need to work 6 sequences of 1 single crochet, 1 increase, totally 18 stitches. Work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. Insert your hook into the first stitch to work 1 single crochet, mark this stitch. Next, we need to work 2 single crochet in the next stitch to make 1 increase. Finished 1 sequence of 1 single crochet, 1 increase, see 3 stitches. Work 1 single crochet next. Continue with 1 increase. Finished 2 sequences. We need to repeat with 4 more sequences of 1 single crochet, 1 increase. Finished 5 sequences. For the 6th sequence, 1 single crochet first and 1 increase. Work 1 slip stitch at the first stitch to fasten off. Finished round 3. Work 1 chain stitch and pull the yarn to leave an 8-inch long tail for sewing. Cut off the yarn and pull through the loop to pull tight. Now, we have finished the spot on head of cow.